Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a little warning video. That comes from the fact that a lot of websites from scammers are now actually using secure connections in the browsers, and that of course tries to make you feel safe and secure. It doesn't mean anything. A green padlock and a secure website with HTTPS doesn't mean the website is good, that it's not a scamming website. The security certificates have become so cheap lately that that's the biggest problem. It's now that more than half of the websites from scammers are actually secure. What you need to do is make sure that you are on the right site. Make sure that you know where you are, that you are on the proper website to do a transaction if you want to purchase something. Or if you fill out a form, you don't know the website, don't do it, because it doesn't mean anything if that padlock is there in terms of, being secure of your personal data or stealing your credit card. It just means that there's a certificate that shows that this is a encrypted traffic website. It doesn't give you a okay to do whatever you want. It doesn't mean the website has been verified as being a non-scam website. So be very, very careful what you do, and make sure that when you go on the web and use a browser, that you are on the right website. So for example, PayPal.com. Make sure that you're on the right side. It says here, PayPal Inc. verification. That's the website. A scammer that would like to imitate PayPal could actually purchase a certificate and it would show up as green, but the problem is it wouldn't show up as PayPal Inc. with the padlock. It wouldn't show as PayPal.com. It would show some weird URL. So that's where you need to actually look and make sure that you understand that you're in the right site or you're not. And you got to stay really alert now if you do transactions on the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.